might have seen SJVT's or Tulare County Cop Watch's video on the assault in Van Nuys. I was there that day, but while they're getting assaulted, I'm out in the courtyard and I find out they have a cafeteria, so I check that out. Oh, they do? Cafeteria. Nice. Meanwhile, these guys are dealing with this big old dude.
Out of here. What do you think you're doing, dude? What's up? What you want? What do you want? What's up? What you want? What do you want? Why are you fucking hitting us, dude? What the fuck do you think you're doing? Just go. You're gonna lose your fucking job today. Yes, let's go.
So I come in after the fact, after he's kind of pushing him out of the entrance, and that's when this officer rolls up all fast like he's gonna do something.
Hey, this guy just assaulted us. He assaulted us. It's all on camera. This guy right here. Hold on. You settle down. Settle down. Look at him. Back him over there.
Look at this guy. I got it all on film. There was an immediate bias after learning this guy's position. He found out he's the building manager. He's like, oh, okay. After that, it was just like, okay, well, now what are you guys doing here? You know, you have no business being here. Why are you here? It was an interrogation on us after that point.
What's going on? Sir, turn the cameras on.
No, they're staying on.
Our safety.
What's going on?
This motherfucker is putting his hands on us for recording.
In public, sir.
Where were you at?
If it's not forbidden, it's allowed.
Doesn't matter.
Where?
In public. In public.
Just happened.
Where did this happen
In
at?
public.
Tell him.
Right there. You know what? You can watch it on YouTube later. What's your name, sir?
Oh, hold on. I'm sorry, what? Well, you need a permit to film.
No, you don't.
Bullshit.
Guy, man.
That's
Policy.
Oh, he's highway patrol. He's highway
You need to
patrol.
educate and get your
Gotcha. All right.
supervisor out
No
right
wonder.
now, please.
Hold on.
That's not true. That's not true.
What are you taking? What are you filming for anyway, sir?
Jesus Christ, dude.
Assignment.
Then some random guy in a blazer comes up, starts talking like he's everyone's boss, ends up talking to the highway patrol guy, and never really explains who he was. Turns out he's like a lawyer, and he has a podcast on YouTube, but he's not affiliated at all. It was weird that he was able to get some words in with the officer, someone that didn't even witness it.
I'm sorry. Hey, what's up? Who you sir? You're the manager?
No, I'm not. No, I make appearances here all the time.
Snapchat, this guy just assaulted us
Like I was
right
explaining to them, is that Larry might have thought, because he might have thought they were part of a film crew.
Okay.
And if you're part of a film crew, you need a permit.
No, for commercial. For commercial filming.
So he may not have known.
You don't know what the
Right now, the highway
about.
patrol is listening to this guy who's a nobody.
That's all I'm
Right?
talking about.
This guy who's an outsider.
Not only that, he tried to deny me access to the public cafeteria.
You just made a name for yourself, stupid.
Hey, gentlemen, you can't go back in there. Stop. You can't go back
Excuse
in.
me?
You're not going to go back in there. Stay over here.
Says
You're
who?
not going back in there.
Highway patrol?
State property, you're not going back in there. Sir? Tell you.
Says the highway patrol?
Yes, it is. The state building, stay back here. You're not going back in. Sir? I got another unit's coming. We're going to settle this. We're going to settle this right now. Unit's on its way. Sir? Yeah. Can you come here, please? Stay,
Mr. Highway Patrol.
stay back over there.
Over here.
You stay over there.
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
Stay there. Sir, can I put your hand? Hold on a second, please. Oh, yeah, one. Sir, if you come here, you guys stay there.
Hey, where's your supervisor? Where's your supervisor?
Can't be here in the first place. Just hang on.
Hey, man, you haven't even came to talk to us. The fuck you? It's already obvious you're trying to pick sides.
Yep. So assault is fine, I guess. It's fine to assault people, I guess. Highway patrol, man. He doesn't know.
Bro, he dropped my fucking phone. Man.
Get back over there. Like I say again, get back over there. The unit's coming. We're going to settle this right now. Unit's coming.
Look at Mr. Highway Patrol over here. You don't know what the fuck you're talking about, Highway Patrol.
What is wrong with you?
Sorry, what? What business do you have?
What business do you have?
I'm listening. Do you have an appointment to worship people?
Stick to the roads, man. You don't know what you're talking about.
I'm just going to ask you. Okay, you're not gonna show me then. Stay here.
Hey, you're open to the public. You're hindering our rights, sir.
Deprivation of rights under color of law. It's a felony. Deprivation of rights under color of law. It's a felony. Bain Act. The Bain Act. You ever heard of that? You want a lawsuit?
Why the fuck ain't he in cuffs yet? Arrest him, sir. Arrest him. Arrest him.
No, he's obviously picked sides with them already. Obviously, because assault doesn't matter to this guy. Assault doesn't matter to this guy.
Can't be here in the first place.
Oh, so it's fine to assault people. That's what you're saying, officer.
You know what assault is?
Fuck you, dude. Fucking highway patrol piece of shit. God damn it, dude. First, because he's already picked sides.
Same benefit that you're giving these people. The guy in the blue suit. Yeah.
Look at him, because he's already picked sides.
Just look at you.
Fucking guy.
You're assaulted. Look at you, man.
Biased. Biased. Dereliction of duty. So Padilla's friends come by and they talk to each other. Nothing gets done. There's still bias there. They don't want to do anything about it. And then he tried to stop me again.
Person's statement of hey, this guy.
Sir, back over there. Get back over there now. Get back over there. Back up. Back up. Get back over there.
Yes, we've already been allowed to go.
No, you,
Dude, we're allowed to go in
he
here.
didn't allow you back. Now you're causing a disturbance to get back.
Back.
Now you're causing a disturbance to get back. Get back.
Look at this guy. I left my drink in the cafeteria, sir. Am I not allowed to go get it? I left my drink in the cafeteria, which I bought, which was my business here, dude. I'm gonna go grab my drink. Got it, Padilla? Guy. In the end, none of us really trusted the police enough to actually give them our personal information to actually make a report. So as soon as my battery was almost dead, I dipped out because I didn't know what they wanted to do, and I honestly didn't trust them. I still don't. So all in all, this was quite an experience, and I definitely want to go back to Van Nuys. Maybe we should revisit.